Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is a must try out recipe for you and your toddler. Mixed pepper fried rice is full of flavor, spice, energy, nutrients. Oh my days, it's super delicious and easy to prepare. My name is Patience, and if this is your first time, you're so welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when there's a new uploads. These are all the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. Please check out the description box below for more information and details. Okay, so I've got my pan. I'm just gonna add in my oil, followed by my onion, and fry for about a minute or two, depending on how brown you want your onion to be. And then I'm just gonna add in my curry, thyme, and of course my seasoning and scotch bonnet. Now I'm gonna fry all these ingredients to give it that lovely smell and flavor, then add in my salt. I don't want it to burn, so constant stirring is really necessary. And then I'm gonna add in my mixed peppers, as you can see, and then stir fry all the ingredients together for about 3 to 5 minutes because I want it slightly cooked, and then add in my rice. I'm gonna add in the next batch of rice, but before that I'm gonna stir all this ingredient into the rice. And the reason why I'm adding this rice, or adding my rice in 2 batches, is because it's easier for me to stir in my ingredients with the rice. So once I stir in all the ingredients together nicely, I'm just gonna cover it for about 5 to 10 minutes on very low heat to steam up or to cook. It's nice and soft for me after 8 minutes, so I'm just gonna turn up the heat. As you can see, oh, look at that. Wow. Trust me guys, our food is ready and it's time to serve. Okay, look at that. Wow, look at that. I love the fact that this recipe is full of flavor and the mixed peppers give it that lovely color. Look at that. Oh my days. You can have it with chicken like I am, massive chicken, or you can have it with beef, salmon. It's entirely up to you. Just let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.